Alright guys, I'm going to continue my video. I'm sorry. The previous video is not working. So I'm going to the problem here is instead of if you're not going to continue the process, it will spread. So I will show you how to remove this one, just this part, just to show you that it's working. So I'm going to do it now. So I'm using the toothbrush. So you just need to continue this one. Earlier I was about to change my LCD monitor, but I'm afraid that it might not work. I better choose to do this instead of risking my LCD, because I think it won't work. There's a possibility that the monitor won't work. I'm going to do that. Alright, so as you can see, I'm pushing it now. So there's the other one. This one is the big one. Okay. Moving it now. Alright, see, it's not working. Let's try the other one. I'm going to try this one. Should be working by now. Alright, okay guys, just do this one, continues doing this. Okay, so as you can see, it's forming a circle. So it means that all of the black spot here is moving here. So this part is already clear. As you can see, look at the space. Earlier there's a spot here, and now it transferred here. So I will continue this one. I just need to remove this part. Okay, so I'm doing it now again. Okay, it won't take long. Alright, I'm pressing it now. Okay, I think this one is too big. By the way, this one is a rubber. So earlier I'm also using a toothbrush, since the tip of the toothbrush has a rubber part. This one is the shoes of my son, and I'm doing this. Instead of using the eraser from your pencil, do this. Use other one instead, because this one is much better. Alright, since it's not working, I'm going to use my hand. As you can see, it's moving now. It's moving now. Oh, can you see that one? It's see this one. It's moving slowly but surely. Okay, I'm going to continue this one until it will remove from the other area. Okay. So it's moving now. Okay, earlier it's here, so it's moving now towards there, towards to the left. So I'll just show you how to remove this one. So I'll just need to move this one. Once we view the letter V on this part, I will stop the video, okay? Just to show you how effective this one. Okay, on my first video, I'm sorry if you tried and it didn't work, but as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. You just need to continue pressing this one until it will be removed. So as for me, I'm not doing everything because for me, I think it's fine, because sooner or later I'm going to replace my monitor. But for the meantime, since I don't have a new LCD, so I will do this by myself. I'll do this in a safest way instead of removing my LCD and do something on it. Okay, as you can see earlier, it's blocking this word video, and now it's moving here. It's almost at the corner. Okay guys, just be patient and it will be removed. Okay, earlier we're using toothbrush and shoes, and it's the reason why I'm using those tools, so that it will easily remove. Later I'm going to remove this one to the edge, so I'm going to I'm doing this step by step. Okay, alright, so I think I've already that's it. I'm going to end the video now, and then you will try it by yourself. Okay, so thanks for